Hi and welcome to this course. In this video, we are going to talk about data types. So what exactly are data types? Well, data types means the type of data that we can store in a variable or a constant. It means that what kind of data we can store in our variable or constant. And there are many data types in JavaScript, but in this video, we are going to learn about the 5 data types. We are not going to learn about symbols, so let me just delete it right away, and we are going to learn about these data types. So what is a string? Well, anything inside a single quotation or a double quotation is a string. So how we can store string in a variable? Well, to do that we can use const my name. My name is a variable name here, and then equal to the data, and in here we can use a single quotation or a double quotation. I prefer to use double quotation, so I'll use double quotation, and inside of it I'll type in my name with a little space right here, and then I will end the statement. I will end this line with a semicolon, and in the next line I will create a number, and inside of a number variable or a constant we can store almost any decimal value or an integer value. So my integer is equal to 78, and I will end this line with this semicolon, and I will store one decimal point value. So my decimal is equal to 90.98. Let me put dot here, and then I will end this statement with a semicolon, and then I will store a boolean value. So what exactly is a boolean value? Well, a boolean value means true or false. Okay, so it means on or off. Okay, so const my bool is equal to true, and it can also be false. So just let me show you that. Okay, so this is my string. Anything or everything inside a single quotation or a double quotation is a string, and we can store string in a variable or a constant. I'm using constant here. And what is a number? Well, any decimal point value or integer value is a number, and we can store both of them inside of a variable or a constant. And what is a bool? A boolean is a data type which means true or false. It can be either true or false, which we are doing right here. Then what is null? Well, null means empty. Okay, so it means empty. Just think of it like a box in which there are no toys, a box which is completely empty. Think of it like a coke bottle which is empty and there is no coke in it. Okay, so let me make a null variable. So my null is equal to, and we use the null keyword here to define a variable that is null. And then what is undefined? Well, undefined means that we haven't defined the data type yet. So to create an undefined, we can do this in two ways. We can use the const, and then my undefined const. So my undefined const is equal to undefined, or we can just make a variable like this and leave it just like that, and this will be an undefined variable. Okay, now let's just print some of them. So console dot log, and inside of it I will print my name, and then I will end this line with a semicolon, and then I will save this, and I will go to my Chrome and see if it works. So let's open up Chrome, and here we go. This, I have refreshed the page, and this is the result. Now if we try to print some other variable like my integer, so let me just copy it and paste it over here, and if I save this and if I go back to Chrome and refresh the page, then you will see 78, the value right here. Also, I would like to point one thing out right now, that if you want to know the value of the variable, then you can use the type of operator. So you can say type of, and then leave a space, and then your variable name, and this type of will tell you that this my integer is of type number. So let me show you. So let me save this first and then go back to Chrome and refresh this page, and then you will see that this shows that this data type is a number. Okay, so that's gonna be it from me for this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.